Since explorers first set foot on Las Vegas soil, the city has been offering wonders of its own. Las Vegas has grown in ways the early settlers could scarcely imagine. Yet through the years, Las Vegas has never lost its character, its charm, and its charisma. Las Vegas was an oasis at the moment it was discovered, and it still is now. Las Vegas will always be the most exciting and unique city in the world. That's one thing you can bet will never change.